Hey guys, we're here at my office in One Paseo, and today I'm going to show you 5 properties that you won't want to miss. They range from $4 million all the way up to $16.9 million, so stay tuned. Our first stop is 4650 Rancho Del Mar Trail, listed by Jason Berry with Berry Estates, and priced at $9.995 million. This 7-bedroom, 8.5 bath is massive 12,657 square foot estate and is located in a private, highly coveted Rancho Pacifica gated community on a 1-acre lot. A true showstopper and an entertainer's paradise with stunning panoramic views throughout the entire estate. Next, we're heading just a few miles away to 14342 Dalia Drive in Rancho Santa Fe, listed by Sean Berry with Berry Estates. This property is listed at $6.195 million and is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 5,435 square foot home that was recently renovated by award-winning Les Demours. Step into the backyard completed with a fireplace, barbecue, and extravagant pool and spa for you and your guests to enjoy. Each room crafted with the highest finishes and outfitted with custom light fixtures and state-of-the-art furnishings throughout. Now let's head to Costa Del Mar at 117 6th Street, where this breathtaking 5-bed, 5.5 bath, 4,615 square foot home awaits us. This $6.9 million property is listed by Eric and Pilar of Pacific Sotheby's and sits on the bluffs with over 160 feet of ocean frontage on an extra wide lot. This award-winning property has been recognized for its noteworthy craftsmanship and use of material. Enjoy endless sunsets from every corner of the house or step outside to the sparkling pool and jacuzzi. This truly is a one-of-a-kind coastal dream. Looking for an investment property? My friend Lindsay Dunlop of Compass has one at 1352 Stratford Court. This is a 1,882 square foot home that offers 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, just blocks from the Del Mar Bluffs. Perfect for someone who is looking to add their own unique style to a property from the ground up. lastly, we head a few miles north to Encinitas at 1423 Neptune Avenue. This coastal property is listed by Lynn Smith at La Costa Sales and Rentals. This 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,663 square foot home is split into 2 legal lots. Beautiful redwood exterior siding surrounds the move-in ready home, a surfer's dream and located conveniently between the famous beacons and Grandview beaches. This property also offers a legal full 1-bedroom apartment above the garage that can be rented out for additional income. Thank you for joining us today, and I really want to thank these very impressive agents for letting us in. And if you have any questions about these homes or any other homes in San Diego County, please give me a call at 619-888-9333.